So we start off with someone who has natural curly hair and she's decided to add a pop of peach within her strands, followed by this gorgeous face framing highlight transformation. And then we have a beautiful bob. And she ended up going with this gorgeous bright blonde makeover. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And on this channel, we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today's video is going to feature a variety of hair transformations. If you do by chance feel inspired by any of these looks within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. Looks like the stylist has put on the color. Oh, beautiful rosy pink color. And then we have another hair color transformation. So they also have an undercut style as well. And it looks like they're going with this very bold turquoise color. Gorgeous. The hair looks more like a teal turquoise. Absolutely stunning color and haircut combination. And then we have someone with some beautiful long wavy curly hair. Looks like she's getting some highlights mixed in. Wow, absolutely gorgeous dimensional tone throughout. Stunning. Then we have this beautiful platinum hair transformation. Beautiful platinum blonde strands. And then we have someone who has decided to mix it up with the copper hair trend. Gorgeous. The color looks absolutely stunning. And then we do have a DIY haircut. So it looks like they decided to rock the shaven hair trend. And we have a cute little everyday style. Another everyday style. This one features more of like a bun. Oh, wow. The split dye trend. Purple on one side, black on the other. Absolutely love her hair color. And we have another everyday style. Looks like she's doing a bun hack with a scrunchie. Perfect way to add more volume to your hair overall. We have another cute everyday style with the ponytails at the top. DIY haircut with bangs. Oh, she's going in on the sides. Looks like she's giving herself a bob. Oh, wow. She's shaving it all off. See, that's what happens sometimes when you cut your hair. You just want to go further and further and just keep going. Wow, she has extremely long hair. I love the ginger hair color. So pretty. But it looks like she has a lot of fun with her hair. We have someone with purple highlights. Looks like she's going in and cutting her hair. Oh. She decided to shave it all off as well. And we have another cute everyday style. Love the texture of her hair. She did like a volumized ponytail. Two bun style. And then we have someone with curly hair. Looks like she has red ombre tips. Very pretty hair color. And she's doing the scrunching method to maintain her curls, using a hairnet. This is a great hack if you do have curly hair. Alright you guys, if you want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.